Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through some of the most useful keyboard shortcuts that will make your workflow smoother and faster, from selecting all your content to switching between tabs and applications with ease. These shortcuts will save you time and effort. Let's dive in. Want to highlight everything at once within a document? Simply press Ctrl and A and all content will be selected. Need to find something specific within a document? Press Ctrl and F and type in your search item to locate it instantly. Have a browser open with multiple tabs and want to quickly move through your open tabs? Press Ctrl and Tab to navigate them quickly. Have multiple applications open and want to jump between apps quickly? Hold Alt and press Tab to cycle through all your open applications, then releasing it to switch to the application you want to go through and use. Need to print your document instantly? Simply press Ctrl and P and the print dialog will appear. With these shortcuts, you can navigate, find, and manage content effortlessly. Whether you're working with documents, browsing the web, or juggling multiple applications, these keystrokes will keep you efficient. Try using these shortcuts in your daily routine. Thanks for watching.